I have to repair this whole back corner in order to bring that out.
By the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, while I'm rounding the corner.
So I have this bedside all fit up now. I fit the tailgate and the taillight to make sure all of this lines up good. It is all looking very nice. So I am going to go ahead and take this back apart, and most of this bedside actually gets bonded on. So I will start laying out my adhesive and get this bedside put on permanently. So I'm gonna let the glue dry on this bedside now. I have a heat lamp. I'm moving around to different portions of it to help speed up the process. I am going to dive into my next one, and I'll come back to this a little later. And this is gonna be my next project here. It's not gonna be fun. I have this van parked up next to the frame rack. I'm gonna use the rack as scaffolding. I have to repair this whole back corner, crushed. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna first look and see what kind of access I have from the inside. I don't believe there's much, but I'm gonna see if I could get to any of it from the inside first. And then, depending on how that goes, I might have to weld some tabs right here to the edge. I probably will, actually, in order to bring that out. And then once I bring that body line out, and it brings all of this back to where I have a normal gap at the door, then I'll be able to work the rest of the metal back into shape. So I'm looking inside of here, and I can get back behind the damage, but there's no way to really get any leverage. So, looks like I can't do much from inside of here. So I'm gonna have to weld tabs on the outside in order to bring that out.